Hello, my name is Aaron, and today I will be discussing water scarcity as it is a critical issue affecting millions of people. My topic is desalination and water shortages. And as our population grows and climate change impacts water availability, finding sustainable solutions is crucial. One promising solution, though, is desalination, which converts seawater into drinkable water. I will explore how desalination works, its benefits, challenges, and its role in addressing water shortages, and more. This map shows parched landscape of the global map, symbolizing extreme shortages projected by 2040. And according to the World Resources Institute, 33 countries, particularly the Middle East, will face high stress due to urbanization, population growth, climate change. And the desalination process removes salt and impurities from seawater to produce this fresh water. The main methods are reverse osmosis, which uses a semi-permeable membrane to filter out salt, and multi-stage flash distillation, which heats the seawater to create steam and then condense it into fresh water. This image gives you a slight rundown and shows that seawater is drawn in from the ocean, pre-treated, and undergoes the reverse osmosis process in which it faces high pressure forces through a membrane that separate the fresh water and also separating salt and impurities. Some of the benefits of desalination provide reliable source of fresh water, especially for coastal communities, and it reduces reliance on overexploited freshwater sources. And this can be implemented in regions where they are facing scarce fresh water as well. And in this map, you can see the construction of a desalination plant in Saudi Arabia to tackle this water scarcity and by converting their seawater into fresh water. Some of the challenges, though, are that it is energy intensive, costly, and environmentally impacts, and it negatively impacts the environment. It produces brine, a concentrated salt byproduct, which can also harm the marine ecosystems in the area if not properly managed. But an alternative to combating the issue is renewable energy, such as solar panels or wind turbines. And comparing these different methods can also go to show what methods will work best and more efficiently. Some case studies have also shown that Israel has successfully implemented large-scale desalination plants, which provide a significant portion of its drinking water too. And innovations of solar-powered desalination are also being developed to reduce this energy consumption and environmental impact. And as seen in this photo, this is a modern desalination plant on Israel's coast, and it showcases their country's innovative water management strategies too. Ongoing research has also been focused on solar-powered or wave-powered desalination systems, which are developed to harness renewable energy. Researchers are also working on methods to reduce the environmental impact of brine disposal. And in this image is a solar thermal integrated desalination plant and shows the process of what kinds of advantages there are of using this renewable energy for desalination. And several scholarly sources have also provided valuable insights into the desalination, and case studies on desalination also show how practical examples of water reuse can be successful. And these implementations that have been researched on integrating renewable energy into desalination processes can also be crucial for reducing costs and the environmental impacts. And in this map, you can see that it highlights the distribution of desalination capacities worldwide, emphasizing the role of desalination in addressing water scarcity. And in summary from this research is that desalination offers a viable solution to address global water shortages. And while it provides significant benefits, there's also its challenges. It also has a huge concern for high energy consumption and environmental impacts, but innovations and investments are essential to make desalination a suitable option for the future and making sure that everyone has access to fresh water. And I found this infographic just kind of going through the desalination plants by the process and the costs and what kind of technology helps address these water shortages, as you can see here. But in conclusion, overall, I found that water or desalination is a lifeline for millions as they're facing water scarcity. And by understanding its benefits and challenges, we can better appreciate its role in securing our future water. Thank you. That's all.